Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you where to go to change your current Netflix streaming plan. Streaming subscriptions nowadays are monthly subscriptions that we normally set and forget, but once in a while these services will announce price updates or access limitations, and it's nice to go in and see what options you have. Maybe you don't need 4K resolution, or maybe you do need more than 2 screens at once. To get started, head to the desktop website at netflix.com. Next, select the down arrow next to your profile icon at the top right and select Account. In the Plan Details section, select Change Plan. Here you'll find all of the plans offered and the one that you currently have selected. This is late 2020, and as you can see, we have 3 options. Basic at $9 a month, allowing 1 screen at SD quality. Standard at $14 a month, allowing 2 screens at HD quality. And finally, Premium at $16 a month, allowing up to 4 screens at a time and up to 4K resolution. Select the plan that you want and click Continue at the bottom. Finally, click Confirm Change after reviewing to confirm your new selection. And it's that easy to change your current Netflix streaming plan. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.